In this video, I'm going to show you how to import contacts into HubSpot. So this is super helpful because it saves time, cuts down on manual typing, and keeps your CRM clean so your team can work faster and smarter. So first, go to the HubSpot website and sign in. And if you don't have an account yet, create one or start a free trial. And then after you sign in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the CRM tools. Now, open the menu on the left, hover over the CRM, and click Contacts. So in the top right, you'll see the Add Contact button. And near it, you'll see the Import button. Click Import to get started. And on the Import page, you'll see three options: import a file, sync from apps, and transfer your data. So for this video, click Import Data, then click Start Import. And then HubSpot will ask what type of data you're importing. You'll see options for customer data like carts, companies, contacts, and deals, plus activities like calls and meetings. So select contacts, then click Next. So what we're going to do next is choose how you want to import. So pick Create New Contacts Only. Now upload your file. I'm using a spreadsheet called Customer 100 as an example I found on a website just for this demo. And then after the file uploads, click Next. You'll now see the mapping screen. So on the left are your file's column headers. So on the right are HubSpot properties. So use each dropdown to match the right fields. So first name to first name, last name to last name, company, city, and so on. So if a column doesn't match anything, you can skip it or create a custom field if you need it. So here's also a quick tip. A clean CSV with a header row works best. Include an email column if you have it. Email or a customer ID makes matching and avoiding duplicates much easier. And then after mapping, review everything. And on the final step, check the settings and choose your unique ID property. I'm selecting customer ID. So when you're ready, click Import or Finish Import. And then HubSpot will start processing. Bigger files can take a few minutes, so you can watch the status on the import page or in notifications. So if there are any errors, HubSpot gives you a report so you can fix the rows and re-import everything. And finally, go to Contacts to confirm your new contacts are there. Open a few records and make sure the mapped fields look right. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.